This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado hollandaise sauce. This easy method transforms simple ingredients into a luxurious, vibrant green sauce perfect for any meal. You will need 1 ripe avocado, 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. A pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper will complete this delightful creation. First, scoop the flesh of 1 ripe avocado into your blender. Add 2 egg yolks and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Blend these ingredients on high until the mixture is incredibly smooth and has a beautiful, uniform green color. This initial blend is crucial for achieving that silky texture we all love in a great hollandaise. Now for the magic. With the blender still running on a low setting, slowly drizzle in 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of warm, melted unsalted butter. This gradual addition is key to creating a stable emulsion. Keep blending until your sauce transforms into a thick, velvety, and perfectly creamy hollandaise. It should be smooth and pourable. Finally, season your freshly made avocado hollandaise with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to match your palate perfectly. This vibrant, creamy sauce is best served immediately. Drizzle it generously over poached eggs, steamed asparagus, or even grilled fish for an unforgettable culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.